Hello everyone, Cooking with the Kid here at the lake with the smoker. Just wanted to show a quick video tonight of what we're doing for supper. Got some chicken with this one is salt, pepper, and garlic. This one is Dirty Bird by Cosmo. This one is Honey Killer Bees. The sausage are jalapeno strawberry. And of course, corn. Now, I'll show you some more footage of what it looks like, but just put everything on. Smelling good. So we've got chicken 3 ways. We've got this strawberry jalapeno sausage. It's made locally here. And we've got some corn. So